Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Regrob.com, and today in this video we are visiting at SLV Serenity project, which is located in Jakkur, Bangalore. So friends, we are on the project location. This project is sprawled over 1 acres of land and carries a single tower of 5 floors and total comprises of 95 number of units and has 20% open area. It offers 2 and 3 BHK flats. And now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. So friends, this we have entered into the living room. And now we are moving towards the dining hall. So here you can see the space for dining area. And this is the kitchen area. The spacious open kitchen. Here you can see an attached balcony. And this we have the separate utility area just next to the kitchen. Now moving next, here comes the first bedroom of this flat. And now we have entered into another bedroom, the spacious bedroom. As from here you can see. Here is an attached balcony with this bedroom. And this is an attached washroom with this bedroom. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit enquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.